welcome to our channel. If you want to clear your Instagram engagement history including likes, comments, and search history, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Step 2. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Your Activity to view your engagement history and interaction data. Step 3. In the Your Activity section, you'll see various categories including interactions, photos and videos, time, and archived. Tap on Interactions to proceed. Step 4. Select Likes to view all the posts you've liked. Tap on any post to unlike it individually, or use the filters to find specific likes you want to remove. Step 5. Go back and select Comments to see all comments you've left on posts. Tap on any comment to view it in context, where you can delete it by tapping and holding, then selecting Delete. Step 6. To clear your search history, go back to the Your Activity menu and look for recent searches. Tap on it to view your search history. Step 7. Clear individual searches by tapping the X next to each entry, or tap Clear All at the top to remove your entire search history at once. Step 8. For a more comprehensive privacy cleanup, go to Settings and Privacy, then Account Center, where you can review and clear activity across Facebook and Instagram together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.